we will we will see basically how you can create a classes also. Earlier, these facilities was not available before the EA6, right? You won't be able to have that, you can say object-oriented concept and elements and other things into a JavaScript here. But here you can create a class, you can create an interface also. Okay. So like in Java or any other language, you create a class and you can create a constructor. This is the way, and you can create using the new theory. Correct. So you have the two functions, two objects for a car. In the same way, if you wanted to have any other type of also, let's say, employee, correct? And you can use it as a constructor, as a, let's say, hmm, location, correct? Like this. And also you can say this dot, right? So const j is equal to employee. So what we are just doing here, pass all these three parameters which we are just taking up here. So in the constructor, this is the way simple if you are just using into Java through the constructor in this region. This is the way you can. Correct. So if you wanted to just remove it, dot, hmm, yes, location. Document dot get element file. Sorry. So you see James and London has been created. Very well. Very well. Yes. You see, so you can call a methods also. You can also say like hmm, hmm, no, I use there is some issue here. This is we need to check it. It will not be like late. Right? So class level variables basically. So this is the way you can create some more methods also in a class and you can just do and you can process it. In the same way, you can create a interface also. So in interfaces also you can see, right? Now, inheritance, if you wanted to see extends keywords is available just like in Java. You can also use the extends on this concept. So one class is extending that another class here, and you can use the methods. So it's a simple, just like class model extends the car and it can use all these features and functions from the car. So this is the way you can just a simple extends keywords is basically use it. Just like in Java, you extending any other class. Here you can also use an extends keyword. Okay. So if you wanted to use it, you can just do it simply. So two classes you have created, all these are under the script tag. Now, so if you just wanted to run it, you can just see, right? If you wanted to add any other method, so like this, you can get that existing code and do some tuning here and there and try to validate this code. You can save this code into a Notepad++ as a .html and try to execute it. Or maybe in Notepad, simple Notepad also, you can just save as a .html, open that HTML in Notepad and then you can do it. So multiple ways you can do it, but in Notepad, you won't be able to identify the errors if you have any syntax errors like that. Otherwise, you can use directly here. Correct? Yeah. Hmm. So here you can just tell. Hmm, like this. Simple. So in my car, hmm, what is it? Okay. This I have a code is available into a facility. This dot car name. This car name you are passing it here. So these are the simple object-oriented concepts, right? This is we have already, you can see and you can discuss, right? Or maybe in Java we have already discussed it. You can also see how you can use it. So extends keywords basically in two classes if you wanted to give the relationship. Interface also we will just see interface. Interface. Static also they have introduced here, so you can just check that static. So rather than directly creating the object, you can always directly use that. Okay. So this is all about this schedule. Just the way you use it into a Java, correct? With the class name, you can use that either a method or variables. Call brackets, method programs. So these are the basics of what we can call as the JavaScript. So you can just how you can define either using the let, where, and the const. These three things you need to understand, and based on the value, it will identify what type of variable it is. Okay. There are some string methods. If you wanted to check it, you can check it. Right. These are length, slice, substring, replace, replace are to uppercase, lowercase, compare, print. These are the some methods are there. So if you wanted to just try, maybe you can just say, right? So text dot length for two, right? Here you can just get that here you can say to lowercase, you can get it, right? If you wanted to get that substring, you can also use the substring. Correct? These are simple Java methods. Substring. What is the substring method here? Start and end. Okay, this S is small here. Correct? Like this. So you can just see many such other string methods also you can try and you can use it. Right? If you wanted to use the trim, you can extra padding spaces, you can use the using trim. Uh, So like this, you can do it for a trim. So these are the ways you can just try and evaluate and you can perform some operations for what we can call as for different string methods, right? So you need to understand that and loops and other things. I guess you already check it. It's a little simple.
Yes,
Right?
yes, yes.